Alright, so these are displayed fans at Home Depot. I think this one's Alaska, the name tag's blocking it. It's Alaska. There's two, and these two are Alaska tower fans right here. This is a twist top right there. Alaska. They're not connected, there's no outlets around here. This one is unbranded. So, and this one here's a tornado. This is a clip fan. There. This is a desktop clip fan right here. See that? And way up there, there's some other displayed fans. That's a Cyclone by Lasco. There's a Commercial Electric and two Lasco box fans. Those are the only Lasco box fans around here. And these are window air conditioners. Got an LG. Commercial Electric. Got some Commercial Electric. This is a Max Air Pro. This thing's huge. It's like a lot of it of an air conditioner. But this one's a Commercial Electric. It says Brandon on it. It's got 4 fan blades. Alright, so we got some ceiling fans around here. This one's a Hampton Bay one. That one looks really nice. I like that. That says Hampton Bay on it. That's a thermostat right there. This one right here is a Clarkston, 44 inches. And this one's a Hunter, right over here. It's a thermostat fan. This one right here is a Home Decorators. It just says Home Decorators Collection right there. There's 2 of them that look different. Here's a GE window air conditioner. Alright, so this is what I found here. It's a ring furnace. And there's no other air conditioner supposed to be here before. There's a blower down there. This one's a ring gas furnace. I think there used to be a Carrier Infinity in here. I think they put it on the other side. And this one's a Mitsubishi. Mr. Slim. And there's the inside of it. Model number is MSC-GE09. I think it's a 9,000 BTU. So I think it's a 110. Here. No, just pouring the air conditioners. There's a lot of stuff around here that I can film. You got some 2 Rheem Performance water heaters. The Rheem Performance Platinum. I just have a Rheem Performance, just that. This is an Echo SNES sense right there. And this one looks rare. Look at that thing. And this one's another Echo SNES. They're not even working, so I could just like. I think these 2 are expensive, like for Wi-Fi control water heaters. They're not even like air conditioners, just water heaters. Rheem. They're all at Home Depot. They're the box fans I filmed right there. I think that's a dad panel. Can't really tell. Alright, so right here I found some thermostats down here that's connected to air conditioners. It's a Honeywell one. It's a Lyric T5 Wi-Fi. It's an Ecobee right there. This is a Nest. This is like one of the popular thermostats. Oh, that feels so cool. It's another Honeywell. Not even gonna get that one. The Lux Pro is gonna get broken. But I think this is the one. Excuse me. This is the one that I'm actually looking for to get a new thermostat. It's a Wi-Fi unit. There's another Nest right here. This one's a vintage one. Can't believe they still sell it. This is what my friend has. It's a Honeywell. Alright, so here I found this carrier displayed. Found this at the exit sign. Here's the data panel. It's from 2014. There's no tonnage, so this thing is fake. It's got Gentech. There's no compressor in there, but it's 3 fans. Where are the lines? I think this used to be the used air conditioner before. It says display on it. The model number is 24VNA. Something. I'm not gonna read the display right there. 37 week of 2014. That's not what I found. Alright, so we're out.